foot and right hand.
Dive.
It is, but I mean, it's
I think when there's a left hand to Waco, you should just dive.
Waco?
Dive across.
Is it called that?
Well, if you want to go
Yeah,
fast.
Keep in mind though, you want to have good
wanna
technique as you're going quickly.
Yeah, that's what
so
I'm
the goal is
saying.
to go quickly, but have good technique doing it, rather than make it super power intensive.
Put down.
There's
2 feet. Yeah, and then the little sneaky trap. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Yeah, so I was trying to
Alright,
figure
Jason.
well done.
So I'm gonna need your time. That's it. Crazy idea.